and never be just what they want you to be. Now that you've grown so wise, use that head and stop to think a little. Just 'cause you're crazy doesn't mean that you're free. Back in late grade 10, I was a total devastator, baby. Down in the schoolyard, they all fell to their knees. But it can't be 93, sadly, 'cause I wish it could forever. You call it luck, I call it tragedy.
What would you say if I fell apart? Could you bring me back there? What would you say if I fell apart? Could you bring me back?
We got a rock DJ, we got a total fucking alcoholic. We got a thing they call a cyber girl. A warm ovation, please, for the dude who sold us ecstasy. He's building homes now in the new third world. Keeps on falling in Hawaii and our stations west. Find someone close and hold them like you can. This is a race to the end, and I don't intend to win it, baby. You go ahead, I'm gonna meet you there. BAD used to talk of relativity. That was way back when everyone was scared.